Dear friends, this is Srinivasan, who is having more than 30 years experience in the construction industry, trying to give a small presentation on cost analysis for formwork of a retaining wall. Brief note on this analysis: cost of material bound to vary from location to location. You have to check the rate at your location. Reputation also based on the usages, handling and location. You have to consider this also. Let us say formwork for a retaining walls and lift walls and pardis. Consider a wall of 10 meter long, 1.2 meter high. That means the formwork area will be 24 square meter. Materials required for a shuttering: 12 mm thick plywood shuttering for both the sides, that is 10 into 1.2 into 2 is equal to 24 square meter. Add wastages 20%, 4.8 square meter. Total is 28.8 square meter at the rate of 900 rupees will make you 25,920. Number of reputation what I consider is a 12. So cost per timber per use will be 25,920 divided by 12 is equal to 1800 rupees. This is what I call as a item A. Now we are going about a backup timber for a shuttering materials. Consider 10 number of shutters, that is 10 into 1.2. For backing size 1 into 1.2. Reapers, that is a 75 mm, 50 mm for sides. Vertical 500 mm center to center. 10 into 2 into 3 into 1.2 into 0.75, 0.050. Height will be 2 into 4 into 1 into 0.07, 0.050. Reapers 400 mm for top support at the rate of 450 center to center, that makes 24 into 0.4 into 0.05 into 0.04. Runner 75 mm for tie bolt fixing. Horizontal 2 into 3 into 10 into 0.075 is equal to 0.075, 0.0338. Planks 38 mm thick, 300 mm wide for closing ends. 2 into 1.2 into 0.3 is equal to 0.038. That means total of 0.044 cubic meter. Add 10% waste, 40%, 10% wastages, 0.176. Total quantity is required is 0.617 cubic meter. Now we consider about the costing of the same. 0.617 cubic meter at the rate of 9,000 will be 5556. Cost of shuttering timber will be 5556. Number of reputation will be 12. So cost of timber per use 7035 by 0.25 divided by 12 will make you 586.27. This I called as a B. Now we are going for a steel items. MS props at 900 mm center. Number of props will be 48 numbers at the rate of 1600 rupees per number will make you 77,511. Number of reputation will be 40. So cost of steel props per use will be 77,511 divided by 40 will make you 1937.38, which I called as C. Bolts 12 mm dia, 150 mm long. For joining 1 by 1.2 meter shutters, 200 mm center to center, horizontal at every 1 meter vertical joint. 2 into 11 into 7 will be 154 numbers, that at the rate of 15 rupees will make you 2310. This I called as a 1. Now we come up to tie bolts. 20 into 3 is equal to 60 numbers. 60 numbers at the rate of 12 rupees will be 720 rupees. So total of 1 plus 2 will make you 3030 rupees. That is the 3. Considering salvage value of 20% will make you 606 rupees. So cost will be 3 minus 4 will be 2724. This I called as a D. So hence the cost of material will be A plus B plus C plus D will you 6,478 rupees. Now labor for making. ₹200 per square meter, number of repetition will be 6, that means 33 rupees. For fixing and releasing a formwork, 150 rupees, that will be 150 rupees. So cost of labor will be 183 rupees. So add for nails and form oil will be 200 rupees, this I called as Z1. So total labor cost X plus Y plus Z plus Z1 383 rupees. So total cost material plus labor will be 7131.05, that is for 24 square meter. Hence cost per square meter will be 212 rupees. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. Contact me at @civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Ask Srini Telegram groups. The link is as below. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe and motivate me for a further good presentation. Kindly subscribe. Thank you. आप जानते हो, मैं क्या जानता हूँ, मैं कुछ नहीं जानता हूँ.